School in Florida, in most parts of Florida, started right around August 25th, 23rd, etc., including in Miami-Dade County. 15 educators are already dead in the first 10 days. Now, importantly, we're not saying they all caught it at school. In fact, some of them probably caught it before school started. But these are not particularly auspicious numbers for the entire school year. Here's a report from NBC 6 in Miami-Dade County. 15 staffers of the Miami-Dade County Public School District have died from COVID in the past 10 days. Sonia Diaz, a spokesperson for several unions, confirmed the number of deaths to NBC6. One of the educators that lost their life to COVID was Abe Coleman, a teacher for more than 30 years. Coleman was also a mentor and site director for the 5,000 Role Models of Excellence program. He helped shape the lives of hundreds of young men over the years in the organization that mentors minority men. On Tuesday, Coleman lost his life to COVID at the age of 55. 55. Officials haven't released the identities of the other teachers or staff members, and a Miami-Dade County Public School spokesperson said the district doesn't release the cause of death for employees or students. This is a disaster on so many levels. First of all, you've got Ron DeSantis in Florida saying no masks in schools, no mask mandates in schools. Many schools are just straight up going against Ron DeSantis and saying we're wearing masks in schools. On a practical level, what's worse for school kids, wearing a mask or the trauma of their teacher dying? Think about that for a second. I'm trying to think back. If a teacher of mine, I liked basically all my teachers in elementary school, and the class was close to many of these teachers. If a teacher of mine had died during the school year, it's hard to imagine actually what that would have done. I remember when one teacher was out for a month with heart issues and we had a substitute, and it was really stressful for the class. I remember when a different teacher, I think it was in 7th grade, fainted and EMTs came in. It was really stressful. And here we're talking about 15 educators, some of them teachers, just dying during the first 10 days of the school year. And the alternative, of course, is not that it would have prevented every death. Some of these teachers got it outside of school. But when you see this seriously happening, how do you say, well, let's just not wear masks? The masks really aren't a big deal for these kids. So tomorrow we'll get into in more detail what really seems to be an uncertain future for this pandemic. And we'll get into the details of why, but not a good start. My sister was telling me on day 2, someone tested positive at her school. She's a senior in high school. And maybe the details don't really matter, but the point is, it's hard to imagine this is going to go particularly smoothly. And if schools aren't even requiring the kids wear masks, it's going to go even worse. We'll have more coverage of this on our Instagram. Find us at David Pakman Show. Find me on Instagram at david.pakman.